Joe Biden was elected as the 46th President of the United States in November 2020, defeating incumbent President Donald Trump. Taking office in January 2021, President Biden's term was marked by a series of significant policy initiatives across domestic and international fronts. On the domestic front, the Biden administration focused heavily on managing the COVID-19 pandemic. This involved rolling out a widespread vaccination campaign, promoting public health measures, and providing economic relief designed to support individuals and businesses affected by the pandemic. Key legislation included the American Rescue Plan, a $1.9 trillion package aimed at facilitating economic recovery and mitigating pandemic-related hardships. The administration also prioritized large-scale infrastructure investments through the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, which passed in late 2021. This legislation aimed at upgrading the country's roads, bridges, railways, and public transport systems, alongside expanding broadband access. A key theme of Biden's presidency was addressing climate change. Rejoining the Paris Agreement was one of his first acts in office, signaling a renewed focus on international climate commitments. Domestically, the administration promoted clean energy initiatives and set ambitious targets to reduce carbon emissions. Social policies under the Biden administration also saw reform attempts, particularly in areas such as healthcare and education. Efforts to expand healthcare coverage encompassed continued support for the Affordable Care Act, while debates on student debt relief underscored the focus on educational reform. Internationally, Biden's foreign policy aimed at re-establishing alliances and re-engaging with international institutions. The withdrawal of U.S. troops from Afghanistan was one of the significant foreign policy decisions, reflecting a focus on ending forever wars and repositioning U.S. military strategy. The administration also navigated complex relationships with China and Russia, emphasizing competitive but controlled engagements. The Biden presidency faced notable challenges, including rising inflation, debates on voting rights, and navigating the political polarization prevalent in the U.S. While these issues presented hurdles, the administration's focus remained on fostering a resilient and inclusive economy, addressing climate change responsibly, and reaffirming the United States' role on the global stage. By 2024, as the nation prepared for the next presidential election, the impact and effectiveness of President Biden's policies became a central discussion among American voters, reflecting on the successes and struggles of his administration during his term.